Hello all my beautiful queens. So I've decided, guys, my channel name or subscriber name for you guys is Queens, and that'll be with a KWEENS, my beautiful queens. And shout out to Tools for coming up with that name, suggesting that name for me. Absolutely love it, and I hope you guys like it too. So welcome to today's video, my beautiful queens. We are doing a hair installation, and oh, by the way, I'm being rude. If it is your first time here, my name is Kanyim Somi. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you are a returning subscriber, my beautiful queens, hi guys. So we're doing a hair installation today. We are working with Xrsbeauty, and they've sent me this really beautiful absolutely beautiful unit to review and install and style for you guys. The one thing, guys, about this unit is it has this new type of lace that is called clear lace, and I'm sure you guys can see just how beautiful and transparent and clear this lace is. Like, I am so obsessed. I've had this on for today is the third day, and I've just been doing like minor touch-ups here and there, but I love everything about this lace. I love everything about this unit. This is a body wave. I will leave all the details down below in the description box, or I'll just pop it up on the screen of this exact unit. But you will have all the descriptions down below. You'll have all the links if you're interested in buying it, so just check it out in the description box. And yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video. Okay, so to get started, you guys, this is just a side-by-side comparison of the clear lace and a transparent lace. Now, as you can see here, a transparent lace has a bit of like that white cast to it, and it doesn't really blend with like any type of skin tone. And with the clear one, the clear lace, like, it blends with any skin tone because it literally turns into like a clear substance. This is how the unit came straight out of the box. This is a body wave, like I previously mentioned, and it's just stunning quality. And you can see here with the lace how like clear and transparent it is. On the inside, this is a 13x6 wig, so a lot of the back part has lace, a lot of the lace, and the sides don't really have that much lace to it, but it's okay, it's not such a train smash. And what I love the most about this lace, this unit, is how they've customized the hairline for you. They've used the method of a clean hairline, so they've customized it for you, they've pre-plucked it for you, they have bleached the knots. I did not go in with any bleaching of the knots as I usually do on my units. I literally just use this straight out of the box. And I also did try to use my knot healer, but I decided to show you guys first what the inside looks like and what the lace looks like without the knot healer being applied. So this is really just an easy wig for someone who's a beginner. It's very beginner friendly because it comes customized, and they've honestly plucked it the best. I wouldn't even be able to pluck my wig like this. It just came out so beautifully. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place. Never. So I'm gonna first go in with my hot comb just to make sure my hairs are out of the way. We are gonna install my wig using just got to be blast freeze spray. So I'm not gonna go in with glue like I usually do, or gel. I'm just gonna use the spray. I just thought I'd try that method because I felt like this lace is so thin that I don't want too much product, and I don't want to make it like too tacky or bulky with product, so I just went in with the spray, and it worked out so well. So obviously after spraying, I did this in sections. So I started in the middle. I went in with my blow dryer just to dry that up nice and quickly, and this is how it looked when it was semi-dry. So I still had to just hold it down and press it down so it dries nicely without the lace moving.
Place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings.
I think you guys can see there just how clear and transparent this lace is. Absolutely love it. And the size was pretty good as well, because I didn't have to cut out my ear tabs too much, which I usually do with other units. Alright, so at this point my hairline was just drying up further. So what I did is I just added my elastic band around the hairline just to make it melt down a bit more. And while I'm doing that, I'm just deciding whether I want a middle part or not. And initially I started with a middle part, but also this was to show you just how far the lace is. Can you guys see that? Like, that parting is long. That's the longest parting I have ever had. Hey guys, so how annoying, we just got load shedded, and hence my lighting seems a bit different, and the sun has set. So I think I will continue the rest of this video tomorrow. I am extremely sorry, because I need my hair tools to obviously flatten out this part with my hot comb, and I wanted to do curls as well. I actually just went ahead and created layers in this hair with my shading comb. I used this, yeah, my shading comb. Created a layers, so because I want to curl the hair and it's a body wave, I want to create some volume. It's gonna look super cute like that. But before I left, I wanted to show you guys how the hairline actually turned out. How absolutely stunning and transparent is that. And I love the way they've customized this hairline. I literally don't need to do much, but I think I'm gonna do a bit of plucking on the side because it's a bit thick. But oh, this is by far the best closure I've ever gotten, and not even HD is this good. Like, wow. I am so impressed. So yeah, I'll continue the rest of the video tomorrow when the lights come back, and we will style it and yeah, continue with everything and put on a nice face beat and just look cute. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how everything looks so far. I am so happy. And also another thing, it's a good thing that I'll continue tomorrow, because then we are able to see how this closure actually holds on overnight, right? And yeah, anyway, for now, goodbye. I can give you guys a nice proper review and say that this hair is absolutely astonishing. The quality is so nice. This is a body wave, if I did not mention, so it's like very soft and fluffy. And the one thing that I love body waves about is that they hold curls very nicely. So I want to do like a blowout effect. I want to curl it, and then I'm going to put in some grip rollers for a few minutes, and then yeah, that's going to create some volume. And then also, I'm not sure if I mentioned that I did create just small layers in the hair, and that again just helps with volume. Another thing that I thought we should note is the closure. The lace is still just so damn beautiful, guys. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Like, it literally melts, like it melts into your skin, and it like becomes clear. Now this brown part that you're seeing here is my wig cap underneath, and that is completely my fault. I don't know, I'll try and install it a bit better next time so that does not show, but I just want to show you guys like how clear the lace is, you know. It is absolutely clear. And all I used is the got2b spray, and this hair has lasted for about 3 days. All I do is just to maintain it with a little bit of spray on the edges that have lifted from my showering and stuff. But anyway, let's get right into it. I am gonna create my baby hairs, and then we're gonna curl it. And yeah, but again, highly recommend this hair. Check all the details in the description box, and yeah, let's get right into it.
Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah. I'm going back to the table, I know they saving us for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. How much you're messing with me, how much you're messing with messing with me? How much you messing with me? How much you messing with me? Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now, I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings.